Hello everyone, I'm back with another vlog which will be the part 2 video of my Kalaw trip. So this video was taken when I went to a village in Kalaw for business sake. And my main intention with this vlog is to give you all a soothing and tranquil effect, and I really did put a thought on that. So let me take you all together with me. It was in the afternoon when we arrived the village, so even though it's Kalaw, which is known as the Thailand of Myanmar, the weather was boiling hot. According to the government, banana trees aren't allowed to be grown in that certain area. After resting for a while and adoring the nature, we started going trekking in order to reach our destination. There were many gravestones on the way, and since I was wearing a crochet top, they were all stuck on me. Even after not walking for too long, me and my sister sat down to enjoy the moment. Actually, it would just be me alone who enjoyed the moment because my sister was very tiring. To be honest, I was exhausted as well, mainly because of the temperature that day. It was really hot. Since it was surrounded by mountains and greeneries, the view all along the way was pretty amazing. After a while, we arrived at our first destination. It is me wandering around and asking random questions about the plants that I saw there. This is the second destination and it's also beautiful. What I love most about that place is the stream flowing. The sound of the water flowing is so soothing to my ears. And when I touch the water, it's very cool and fresh. Let me stop my vlog here since it is the last video that I took. I really hope you all enjoy, and there are many vlogs going to be uploaded in my channel, so stay tuned. I love you all and thank you so much for watching until the end.